Officials in Russia-occupied Crimea suspended civilian gasoline sales Sunday as Ukraine ramped up attacks on fuel supplies on the peninsula. Sergei Aksionov, the Kremlin-appointed head of Crimea, said local gas stations would halt sales to non-state companies and individuals. Aksionov said fuel would be sold only to government agencies that ensure the functioning and security of the Republic of Crimea. Aksionov said overnight Ukrainian strikes killed 4 people and wounded 28 others, though he did not specify the target. Ukrainian forces have repeatedly targeted fuel supplies to Crimea in recent weeks, triggering the region's worst energy crisis since Russia annexed it in 2014. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said a Crimean oil depot was among the targets and called the attacks Ukraine's long-range sanctions against Russian energy infrastructure. Zelensky also named an oil transport facility in Russia's southern Krasnodar region as one of the targets. Russian officials in Krasnodar said a drone strike sparked a fire at a Black Sea oil terminal in the village of Chushka. Russian officials also said Ukrainian attacks struck a ferry, killing 1 person. Crimea has seen periodic fuel shortages from Ukrainian strikes before, but AP reports the current crisis is the worst since the 2014 annexation. At the end of May, authorities restricted gasoline sales to 20 liters per vehicle owner per week using prepaid coupons. AP reports the prepaid coupons were snapped up immediately after release on an official messaging channel and motorists lined up for hours. Social networks were filled with requests and advice about where to find fuel as supplies tightened. Authorities launched a hotline for tourists who found themselves trapped by the fuel crisis. Some motorists bring their own gas from Krasnodar and elsewhere via the Kerch Bridge, but they are restricted to 100 liters per vehicle. AP reports some speculators are selling gasoline at double the market price. In a rare public acknowledgement, the Kremlin recognized the scope of the problem and promised to address it quickly. Ukraine describes these attacks as pressure on Russia's energy infrastructure, making civilian fuel shortages part of the broader war economy. The clearest visuals are gas station lines, Crimea and Kerch Bridge maps, oil depot fires, and the Black Sea fuel network. The takeaway is that repeated Ukrainian attacks on fuel supplies pushed Russian-held Crimea into a crisis severe enough to halt civilian gasoline sales.